It's Relationship Thursday, and welcome back to another episode of What Relationship Is Not. Today, we are not talking about what relationship is, today, we are talking about what relationship is not. And knowledge is a bridge to help you cross to the other side. However, it's a choice to either sit down and lick your wounds or get up and shake off that dust and keep moving. And most of the individuals tend to focus on what relationship is, and they miss out the small details of what relationship is not. And today we want to focus on those things that relationship is not. And number one is, being in a relationship does not mean you are being completed by the other person. And you need to have figured yourself up before you get into a relationship. At times we get into relationships and we think that the other person is going to complete us, but you also need to first work on yourself, and the other person also needs to work on themselves so that together you can begin that journey. Also, being in a relationship is not using the other person. However, it is about complementing each other. And there are times individuals get into relationship and become full-time guzzlers. And all they do in this relationship is get. But when they sit down and try and note down what they brought into that relationship, they have actually brought nothing. And maybe you have been a guzzler, or you have been the one who is being minted all what you have brought in that relationship. So it's important for you to weigh your options. Also, being in a relationship does not mean neglecting your priorities. And it's good to ask, what are your priorities? Have you written them down in order of what is important? Are you working to achieve them, or you have actually dropped everything else? And when we talk about not neglecting your priorities, it's also important for you to use wisdom when you're doing this, because there are things that you'll find that this is something that I can do later. This is what is now more of a priority in my relationship, and you can go back to it. And at times also it's important for you to see whether it's you're being manipulated, or you're also going through a moment of forgetting yourself. So relationship is not neglecting your priorities. Being in a relationship also has nothing to do with changing the other person. Only God can do that. And at times we think that I can change the other person's behavior, but you have no power to do that. So it's important for you to look at the things you cannot deal with. And if you're ready to deal with the negatives, or rather the defects, because no one is perfect, for the rest of your life, you can go for it. However, if there are things that you feel not comfortable with, it's important for you to talk about that and also move out of that relationship very fast. So do not go into a relationship thinking that you're going to change. Also, being in a relationship does not mean tolerating abuse. And in our previous videos, we have talked about various forms of abuse. So that is verbal abuse, emotional abuse, psychological abuse, spiritual abuse. You do not have to tolerate any form of abuse in any relationship. And also, being in a relationship does not mean living in fear and the inability to communicate your feelings, both good and bad. Assertiveness of how you feel and assertiveness to communicate what is workable for you is important, because at times we find that our voice is no longer important. But being in a relationship means that I can comfortably communicate how I feel without fear of being judged, without fear of being put down. So it's important for you to communicate and also allow your partner to also communicate how they feel. And lastly, being in a relationship does not mean losing yourself into other things just because it did not work. You are the driver of your own life, and what you do does not completely limit you. So it's important for you to not lose yourself. And I guess that is a point that we have constantly talked about, constantly reminded ourselves that knowing who we are is an important aspect in our life. So it's important for you to love yourself, accept yourself, assert yourself, focus on life's reality by prioritizing your goals, which are more personal, and just focusing on what relationship is not is going to help you know what relationship is. So keep working on yourself, keep sharing this information to your brothers, your sisters, your neighbors, your loved ones, and more so work on yourself. Remember to stay tuned to the next episode on Relationship Thursday, and thank you for your comments, your questions and your suggestions. So thank you very much.